So the Oppo Reno Ace has taken a while to get here, but that's because it's only available in China. It's not going to be a phone that's sold here, but given the opportunity, we thought we'd check it out anyway. The packaging is just like any other Oppo phone, and the Ace comes in a blue finish complete with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Opening the box up, you'll find the paper manuals, which are all in Chinese, and then we come to the phone itself. As you'll be able to tell, the finish on the phone is glossy, so over use, it will be prone to picking up fingerprints. The back is also where you find a quad camera setup made of a 48MP primary camera alongside a 13MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom, an 8MP ultra wide, and a 2MP black and white sensor. All of these are things we want to test in the long run, so let me know if you want to see any specific camera comparisons down in the comments below. I went through the setup process on this thing as usual, and as it turns out, the phone does not come with any Google Play services out of the box. This isn't a surprise considering the phone is sold in China primarily, but you want to keep that in mind. I'll also be looking on solutions as to how you could still make this work as your primary phone, and maybe if there's a way to get Google Play services on the Reno Ace. This thing runs on Android 9.0 out of the box with Oppo's ColorOS 6.1 on top. Now, there is an update as soon as you unbox the phone, which I have yet to install, but what I noticed straight away is the phone's speed and snappiness. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core chip in there makes everything feel smooth, but more its 90Hz panel. Over in the settings, you can adjust that, but 90Hz does make a big difference compared to 60Hz. The panel itself is a full HD Plus AMOLED display, which comes with Corning's Gorilla Glass 6 protection, has a 500 nit brightness, and comes with HDR certification. Otherwise, using the phone, you'll have to get used to a lot of bloatware on the Reno Ace. There's tons of applications it comes pre-installed with that I do not quite know of. Again, with time, we'll be able to tell how that goes. But speaking of time, you won't be needing a lot of it to charge the phone. Aside from the extra protective case in the box, the Reno Ace comes with a SuperVOOC 2.0 charger, which is set to charge the 4000 mAh battery on the phone from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. And don't worry, we've got something planned to put that to the test as well. So that wraps up our first look at Oppo's Reno Ace. There's some interesting content planned coming up, so make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, this was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.